She out here murdering cows with her bare hands. Oh.
Did you do this?
Oh, hell no.
너 그 어젯밤에 뭐 했게 그래 잠만 자냐? 응? 어제 재수 오빠
Hey, oh, whoa.
Oh, she is pregnant.
Whoa, so that has to be Shorty's mom, huh?
Oh, hell no. Yeah, they definitely went all night.
Okay, a very long time. They didn't even give us a time. Yeah.
Okay, so this is going way before our girl was born. Okay,
Like, she's got cassettes and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we way back. I remember having to do that. I bet you never did that before.
I remember doing that.
Yeah.
No, the driver got a different plan for this.
What is going on? This is a weird ass location. Where are we going? What the fuck?
They done locked us in, bruh.
Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I don't like this at all.
Oh, shit.
They got the masks ready. Dang, not the girl. You should do it.
Oh, is that necessary? You're already gassing.
Whoa.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, what if they use the women to breed the children?
They did all that just to get one girl?
Are they gonna kill them all? Bro, that's wild.
Tour bus crashed into the ravine. That's what the news said. That was no accident. Who's stroking head like that? Get off.
What the hell?
겁내지 말아요. 아무 일도 없을 거예요. 아무 일.
Was that lady in the first one?
아기가 있어요. 이 아이에겐 동생이 생기게 돼요. 쌍둥이가 되는 거죠. 내가 그렇게 만들 거거든.
You gonna multiply my baby?
그리고 이 쌍둥이에겐 또 수많은 형제 자매들이 생길 거예요.
Bro, is she her mom?
너 정말 네가 누군지 모르는구나. 괜찮아. 우린 너희 편이야.
Okay, this is the other one. Tool. It might be tool. Think you're cool with your damn glasses and your cigarettes? Cigarettes are bad for you. Remember that.
Oh, wow. Damn, bro.
These old kids? What are we doing, bro?
Is this inside that one area from the first movie?
What is going on?
Ooh.
Oh, what the hell?
Her powers are crazy.
Oh, she's strong. Oh, she is strong. She is strong.
What the hell kind of power does she have?
Yeah, her powers is a whole nother level,
She
bro.
levitated everything.
Right? We've seen him before.
Yes.
This is a real building in Korea? Like, damn. Is it a home? Is that somebody's home in Korea? That's crazy.
It's that homie from that place Kang? From W World?
It is.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, wow.
His hair is just completely different. That's why.
야, 저런 건 또 저거 있어?
That's the lady that was with the scars?
What the hell?
아크에 사고가 있었다고요.
Dang. Just moving on.
누구 짓일까요? 상해랩에서 문제를 일으킨 토우들과 관련이 있을까요?
아이, 다 아시면서 뭘 그러고 물으십니까? 혹시 그거 궁금하지 않습니까? 그 토우 새끼들을 누가 꺼내줬을까요? 인간주의 그룹 아니면 유니언, 저희 아니면 그죠? 밖이 아니라 안에서부터 뚫린 거거든요. 망실됐습니다. 제 발로 걸어나갔어요.
The footsteps were there.
좋댔죠 뭐.
I get why he said that after we seen what power she could do.
You can slow down though. You gonna slow down.
Right. Why are you going so fast?
Whoa.
This is a mistake. Is it before you say anything, bro? This is a mistake.
내가 왜 이래 이거? 씨. 야, 태워줄까?
Yeah, they're probably not good men.
뭐 대답을 해야지. Alright, okay. It's over. It's over.
나 뭐하냐? 일단 태워라 빨리.
These two are straight abductors, bro.
These seem like bad guys. They get whatever's coming to them. They deserve it.
They don't care if she's bloody or not.
Yeah, they're like, you're a girl.
I like that she got it. It's gonna make it even more entertaining.
너 뭐야? 이 동네 살아?
이 새끼야. Oh, it's over.
뭐 하는 거야 진짜?
아이씨.
없는 애잖아. 왜 데려가는 건데?
아주 그냥.
Oh, wait a minute.
아니 장난 그만 치고 보내주라고 그냥.
Hey, I hope she beats the shit out of y'all.
Yeah, she gonna ride for her.
Bro, what? What? Bro, what?
뭐라고?
Oh my!
Ooh. Yep, here it goes.
She gave you a chance. Oh, I told you I'm glad they got in the van. I told you I'm glad she got in. She made it much more fun. I told you I love it.
Oh, come on. We needed that car.
Also, I hope she didn't kill the other girl.
No.
Hey, wear your seatbelt, guys.
아니야.
Watching them like you were watching Bug.
Yeah, like a little kid.
같이 가자 나랑.
Yeah, she couldn't just leave her behind. She's too nice.
What the fuck? Damn.
Fuck, come on, Jeep. Are you gonna do this every time? What's that? Are you talking shit about me? Why are you using Korean?
What's wrong with the Korean speaking Korean?
You're still carrying that notebook around. What happened to the iPad I gave you?
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, he is a little bit annoying. He is, dude.
Please, before I sleep. Wait a lot of fucking money for that. Let me just go.
She's funny, yo.
개새끼? That's a curse word, right? That's the F word, right? F word again. F word.
I like it. I like them. I like their interactions. Very good.
야, 너 내가 입 대고 물 마시지 말랬지?
혹시 형도 그 새끼냐?
Hey, you let go.
아, 동생이야 동생.
That's crazy. She got her best friend that bad.
친동생. 괜찮아.
Hey, she was about to beat his ass. Oh yeah, that looks good. I don't know what we're eating here, but it looks good.
Are you familiar with these?
입맛이 없어?
입맛이 아니라 그냥 맛이 없지.
Why is he so ungrateful?
근데 짱.
Yeah, take that.
아파.
그럼 마, 아프라고 때리지 마.
하지 마 좀.
뭘 하지 마.
맛없다고 말도 못.
Can't I even say her cooking's bad?
아 그냥 햇반 돌려 차라리.
She about to eat the whole table.
그냥.
알겠구나. 버르장머리 없는 새끼.
She's like, I better eat this before I get an ass whooping.
Oh my goodness.
Keep eating like that, you finna be thick, girl.
Damn, I guess I can cook.
아쿠안 데이턴 포인트. 40년 넘게 진행되고 있는 이 프로젝트의 기준이 되는 아이야. 오래전 그토록 찾아다녔던 본체를 수거하는 데 성공한 그들은
Oh.
본고 있던 수정체를 분리해 복제를 시도했어.
And attempted to clone it. She's one of the clones. Oh.
하나가 이 아이고.
Oh, she a clone.
어떤 괴물로 변할지 모른다.
이런 것들이 자꾸 세상에 나오면 안 돼. 반드시 제거돼야 돼.
Those guys are starting to get to me.
Oh, cool. Okay, car chase. Let's go. Volvo versus is that an Audi?
Oh! Dang, I just immediately go for the kill?
Damn. Okay, well, hey.
And how did y'all both just take that blow like that? Does he have a power?
Oh, they got the strength. Oh, hell nah.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다.
Whoa! Oh shit, he won too. I didn't know he was one too.
Oh, he's got it too.
Nigga done caught that?
I was not expecting that.
Not a very brave dialogue. Is this really necessary?
An Australian version.
She's chilling, drinking.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Whoa!
Oh! 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 Damn!
Oh!
Oh, no, dude got a little Superman in him.
Yeah, well, do you like heal yourself?
Oh my god. These motherfuckers just ain't gonna die, huh? Gotta deal with them the entire time. How do you kill them then?
Whoa!
This dude's cool.
Watch him just kick up. I feel like that's one of their favorite things to do, though. In the last movie, remember dude held him by the gun?
가서 니네 보스한테 나 좀 보자고 전해. 카드 있지? 저 앞에 버스 다니더라. 봐봐.
I like that. Uh-oh. Who was calling them child?
Wait, did she freeze time?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. She can freeze time.
That's crazy, bro.
That's dope.
오랜만이네. 나 용도 삼촌. 기억나지?
Yeah, get the hell out.
지금 우리 애들 넷이나 반병신 돼서 오늘 내일 하고 있구만. 뭐 경이랑 우리랑 남이냐? 식구끼리 일은 식구끼리 해결해야지.
Oh, so he is actually her uncle then.
야, 그거 옛날에 네 아버지 사냥할 때 쓰던 총이네. 나 근데 그거 파출소에 보관해야지 이러고 집에 막 갖고 있으면 안 되는 거야.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, shout out to her. She got a gun in Korea, bro.
I like that she got a shotgun.
거기 딱 서라.
Is that her actual uncle? Is he trying to take his brother's land?
미국서 왔지? 아메리카.
Land of firearms. Yes, sir. I don't know if that's something to be proud of, but yes, sir.
Shawty, you do not need that. Just go tell girl to wake up.
What's that?
All right, where's the girl at? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Where's our girl? Come on, you're taking your time.
시세보다 더 쳐주잖아. 그냥 그 돈 받고 서울 가.
No, no, watch out.
죽어도 너한테 절대 안 넘겨.
Why not? What is?
그런 얘기해.
Ooh.
우린 제 손가락 지문만 멀쩡하면 되잖아.
Alright, Shawty, come on. Shawty, come on. Shawty, come on. Shawty, come on.
Damn. Don't mess with the brother. No.
Come on.
She's taking her damn time.
Seriously.
Come on, come on, come on. I like your dramatic appearance, but come on.
한국인 맞아야 정신을 차릴 거야? 응?
Oh, I'm sure she looking at it right now. She's here. It's over.
She's flying.
어이씨, 빨리 깜짝이야.
Oh.
Oh, she's on top of the roof.
On the roof? Oh, hell nah, bro.
위험해. 내려와.
It's dangerous for you.
떨어지겠다.
Don't be scared for her. Be scared for yourself, my nigga.
말려봐 이 새끼들아 뭐하냐? 야야야 너 내려와.
The fact they all look down. Yeah, they do the
I don't want to see it, but no one wants to see that.
What the f? Yeah, bro, I'm out, bro. I'm out. Are you kidding me? This girl just stepped off the roof and is just standing there.
I love how she just don't talk when she gets to it. Big boy, you finna get it first.
Oh.
Guys, pack it up. Let's go.
I'm out.
Oh my God.
Oh, broke his leg from the front. Gone. Turn that man into Superman real quick. Who's next?
Holy shit. That's the wrong move. That was the wrong move.
Stupid.
어떻게 좀 해봐 이 새끼들아.
Bro, and she kicked a car.
Yo, dude. What the hell?
Are y'all done now?
She shot him.
Yeah, me too.
This is a demon. Get away, demon. Get away.
다시 오지 마. 알았어? 정신 차리라고! 어서 너네들 병원이나 데려가!
This man is shitting himself. He is actually actively pooping in his pants.
You want to be my friend too?
Girl, don't smile at me. That's scary.
Did she just smile?
내가 지금 본 게 다 뭔 거야? 영화에 나오는 그런 거잖아 지금. 어? 누나 너 지금 어떻게 하는 거야?
Oh, he's losing. He's like, this is cool.
친하게 지내야 돼 저런 애랑은.
Hey, that is facts.
나 쟤랑 얘기 좀 해봐도 되나? 아, 유튜브 할까? 때도 모르겠는데.
Yo.
What's with all this food? It's a grocery store.
I'm finna eat the whole store. Wow,
That's a huge grocery store.
That's a Korean Costco.
Oh, damn. I want to go to a Korean grocery store.
Babe.
Miss, slow down.
Oh my god. This is what you call a Costco lunch.
Oh my God. You're not supposed to eat it. Oh, you're supposed to try it. I've seen him before. Where have I seen him? I've seen him somewhere. Uh-oh. Sister dipped.
진짜 막 날아다니고 그런다니까 차도 막 집어던지고? 아, 그 씨발 총매자로
Oh, shit.
Oh, golly. Is this her?
Jesus. Are you concerned about your phone and not your life?
Yo, they got the same powers as that girl. You better give them what they want.
그 기집애 지금 어디 있다?
얘기하고 나면 나도 죽일 거죠.
얘기 안 해도 죽일 건데? 넌 그냥 장난 안 치고 바로 죽여줄 거야.
It's over.
나는 좀 이용해 먹을 만한 가치가 있지 않을까?
How so?
어디 얘기해봐. 마음에 들면
Don't let him. No. Don't give it to him.
Oh, is she gonna give him powers? No way.
Oh, is that shit gonna make him superpower too? No.
여기 이거 봤어?
I can stop time.
사이드로 치킨 추가돼.
스파게티.
스파게티?
She'll eat anything. I can stop time.
쟨 그거 개인기야? 씨가 뭐지? 그러지 말고 제대로 한번 보여줘봐. 어?
Touch my hand. Oh no. The puppy.
와 진짜 대박.
And a rabbit.
방금 저 별도 네가 떨군 거냐?
No. What level of power do you think I have?
Set your timers. The fireworks will give us about 30 minutes. 뭐야 저 새끼들은?
Oh, this is gonna be a big showdown.
They really came with bats?
Girl, again?
다시 오지 말랬잖아. 왜 또 왔어? What's the status inside?
She's headed toward the.
I leave my boy. That's a bazooka.
저기 보이지? 저기 얼른 가 얼른. 또 올 거지? 그 상황 봐서 앵간하면 꼭 다시 와.
I can't. Oh no. I can't. He's dead.
He's gonna die.
Please don't kill this kid.
그 기집애 어디 있어?
누구? 기집애라니?
지랄한다. 싸우지 않느냐?
뭐?
뒤져 그냥.
Oh!
가짜.
my god!
Oh my god. Holy. Yo.
There's no way this is what we doing right now. Yeah, handle that. Shit.
Whoa,
She's
those
like,
are
"I'll
some
take
big
care of it."
knives.
Anything there?
No, nothing. I see something else.
Oh shit. Whoa.
She's got some real power to her. She just like flew kind of. Oh, this is dope.
Oh!
That shit like a boomerang.
Bye. Good night.
I guess she's better.
Oh, so you just be regenerating and shit.
Yo, she's so capable.
Oh my god.
Bro, you are outmatched, bro.
She's
Oh, she is cold, bro. She is.
Oh!
Dang, that's cool.
Dang. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, she took that head off. That head was off. This fighting is Marvel level.
Damn. Okay. Yeah. Okay. She's scary for sure. Oh. Oh shit. Who's that?
Yeah.
No. That's not what I want. I want some more.
I want him to die.
말할게 그냥 가. 니들 같은 애들이 낄 때가 아니야.
일방적으로 그러는 게 어딨어. 왜 남의 재미를 뺏으려 그래?
Oh nah, she crazy.
Oh nah. Splintering all that wood and then just gonna send it all at her.
Oh! You killed them?
Goodness.
Oh shit, all at them? I did not expect.
Did you see that? That's some next level shit.
After seeing that, you gonna shoot? I'm walking away.
No, Kariana, these ones are different from the last movie.
He weaving every bullet.
Moving faster than an AK-47 is wild.
Damn, my bag. Oh! Done.
Is she eating those? Oh, she lost her finger.
You sacrificed your fingers like that?
Are her fingers gonna grow back?
That's cool.
Honestly, not too sure who to root for.
먼저 빨리 가.
뭘 것들아.
This nigga is still. Bro, what? Give up.
Oh!
Somebody kill him for real. Like,
She stepped in front of him.
Oh, Jeep, not again. Oh, this is brand new.
Oh no. No.
Oh, he still ended up getting hit.
Oh.
Oh shit. Miss, we need you for real, you know?
Come on. Kill them all. These two protected you this entire time. Avenge them. They need to be avenged. Kill all these sons of bitches.
She finna mess you up, bro.
이번엔 그냥 아이콘 목을 떼줄게.
You can try. You ain't gonna do shit to me. Hope you know that. In slow-mo, weave. Oh, she don't even need to dodge, bruh.
Oh my god!
Okay, that was too fast. What just happened?
Oh.
She did it so quick.
Chief, he's a civilian.
He's gotta go. He ain't no civilian.
Yeah, that civilian deserves it, though. I'll be honest.
Oh!
Oh, nah, she nice. Ali in the jugular, ain't it?
Ouch. It's just not fair, dude. There's too many of them.
Ah, damn!
Oh, yeah, okay.
No, we liked her. No, Chief. How lucky. Hey, what the hell? She said what I said.
She dragged. Yes, sir. Let's get to work. Brought your little butt. I'll put your hands on the wrong one.
She can stop time, bro. Fuck you and your psychic shit. She can stop time. They are done.
Yes, thank you. Somebody finally finna get rid of the Oh.
나리라 붙일라.
Huh?
That's what's special. Whoa.
Bro.
Oh!
Just by looking at him?
He literally just like blew him up with her mind.
Scared now.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. He took the jump.
She's better than the other girl.
Oh, she's built different. She built different, bro.
By the head, like just. Is she gonna do the same thing she did to the girl from last movie?
I don't know.
She gonna make her do it to herself? Oh, do it to yourself. Yeah.
No. I said put it in there. No, stop taking it out.
Oh my goodness. How's there so many different levels to this? And she tried it again. Miss. Did you not learn?
Her right. Oh, damn. Yo, I don't even know what's going on with the story. Can I be honest with you? I have no clue what the story is here, but the action's great.
You making her do it to herself is insane. This is insane. Oh my goodness.
Man, imagine thinking you're like the ultimate, like undefeatable, and then all of a sudden you find your match.
Yeah.
Oh, she's stripping the man down?
She's making him disappear.
She put him in a tornado. She a different level.
Oh.
That is incredible.
Wow. Damn.
Oh. What the
Can you imagine dying in such a way?
Okay. Yeah, she built different, bro. You better run.
I know you saw all that. You should have ran away while you could. You do your next.
Oh, you scared? Your turn. Are you scared?
Sorry, I don't like her.
Is this the girl from the last movie pulling up? Who's this? Is it her?
Is that Jaeyoon?
It is. It is. Hello, miss. Whose side are you on? Hell, because I kind of like you. I was wondering when you was finna make an appearance.
오랜만이네. 잘 지냈니?
She always say that. She said that to the doctor last movie.
Wait, so that's her twin?
Yeah, remember there was two twins. That's why their power was so much different.
Oh, she finna get killed. They don't need her no more.
내가 내 동생 꺼내놓으랬지 언제 죽이라 그랬어? 잘라.
Oh my god, dude. The two of them together? Oh, it's over, bro.
I saw some people saying that they didn't like movie 2. How? You didn't like this? She took her head off like a bottle cap.
얘네? 내가 너 찾으라고 보낸 애들이야. 중국 상해 쪽 애들.
Okay.
나도 처음엔 네가 맞는지 확신이 안 서더라. 얘네들한테 일방적으로 당하기만 했잖아. 아닌가 보다 하고 가려고 하는데.
Oh, you followed her, really?
네가 느껴지더라. 좀 갑작스럽고 서먹하긴 하지. 누군가한테 들었는데 너랑
You're connected to mom's subconscious. That's why she kept on here. Okay.
언니랑 같이 가자.
That's what the other girl said to her.
Any way we can save them?
What is this feeling? I feel like it's pain.
혹시 아픈 거니?
살리고 싶어.
가능은 해. 근데 둘 다는 안 될 것 같은데. 네가 선택해.
Oh no.
다신 평범한 인간으로 돌아갈 수 없을 거야.
Oh, they become one of us?
Man, the writing in this crazy.
Yeah.
First of all, that nigga gotta go. Give up!
Why this man getting so much screen time right now? Get him out of here.
I'm sick of it.
차라리 그냥 인간으로 죽는 게 낫지 않을까? 언니랑 같이 엄마한테 가자.
She's on a mission. She wants to get cured.
So she didn't choose one. Nah.
Aw, wait, Chief. Yo, we got to know these characters and they all died, bro?
이제 곧 지들 엄마 찾으러 오겠구나.
Oh, that's the mom. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
그럼 이제 우리도 슬슬 준비해 볼까?
What the hell? Is this the mom?
Mom's still the same age as them.
The mom, the witch part 3, the mother.
Well, now we're waiting on the witch part 3. Damn, is there anything after? Oh, there's something after. Let's go. Oh, Chief Friend's alive. Let's go.
Died from holding my fucking breath.
Chief.
Probably gotta take the knives out. Yeah.
What the fuck am I supposed to do without you, Chief?
Then you'd be the fucking chief. Those monsters might hear you come back.
I like how y'all literally have superpowers and shit.
What the hell? Oh!
언제 오건 말건 용건에 남았네.
그래서 그런 거 뭔가 칠 때냐고! 저것도 얼른 빨리 잡아야 될 거 아니냐고요!
Hey, it was my phone.
걱정하지 마. 저것들이 어디로 갈진 이미 다 알고 있으니까.
That's so crazy. Wow, what a movie. Wow.
That was good. Good movie. Good. That was fun. I don't think it's as good as the first because obviously the first one, you've got this big plot twist, right?
Oh, so that last one, that was the mom, right? Like she's so maybe they've like trapped her consciousness in a clone or something like that, and so now we have to wait until the third one to finally understand what the hell is going on here.